The famous Audi Q3 F3 that has the GTI engine in it. So these things are definitely known for having lots of carbon built up on these things. They just love carbon. So I do want to see this car. Just broke 19,000 miles. First time using this stuff. I should have been using it all along. I really should have been, but it is what it is. I'm going to start to do that kind of stuff now. Major stuff. The next thing for the 20,000 mile oil change, I am going to do a motor flush also, because you know what? You have to. And at 20,000 miles, I'll be doing a major tune-up for this bad ride. There you go. Got all the stuff. Just been kind of waiting for it. Also got the plugs, new hoses, bigger down pipe there, inlet pipe for the bottom there, or rather to the intercooler. Let's see what else I got here. Another hose. So yeah, just trying to make this car run as efficiently as possible, and kind of gain probably another 2 psi's, I do believe. If I do that, I should be able to, which will be nice. Right now it's running 23 pounds of boost. Doing this mod, my little ram air system of cutting out everything and getting more air in there with just a regular K&N. I was running about like 19 pounds or so. Then all of a sudden went up to 23. Also have the turbo muffler in there, the little blow-off noise, and soon to be, actually, I almost forgot, a bigger intake, turbo inlet intake. Where's that? So all these little things do make a difference. I like to watch stuff on YouTube and figure out from other people what they did right or wrong, and kind of go a certain way. The other problem is trying to find stuff for this car. They tend to give you a lot of stuff that is incorrect too. So I've had that problem with ECS tuning and everything else. I really do hope this stuff fits, because they sent me another bigger inlet pipe the other day from the airbox, an airbox pipe, and it was way too small. It was like for a Tiguan or something. There is a difference between the Tiguan and this engine. It's a real pain in the neck.